Why does integer division yield a float instead of another integer? Consider this division in Python. Is this intended? I strongly remember earlier versions returning int/int equals int. What should I do? Is there a new division operator or must I always cast? In 2.x, the behavior was indeed reversed. See, how can I force division to be floating point? Division keeps rounding down to 0? For the opposite, 2.x specific problem.
Take a look at PEP 238, changing the division operator. The // operator will be available to request floor division unambiguously.
Oops, immediately found 2/2. This will output an int rather than a float.
Behavior of the division operator in Python 2.7 and Python 3. In Python 2.7, by default, division operator will return integer output. To get the result in double, multiply the dividend or divisor by 1.0. In Python 3,
the accepted answer already mentions PEP 238. I just want to add a quick look behind the scenes for those interested in what's going on without reading the whole PEP. Python maps operators like plus and to special functions, such that for example a plus b is equivalent to. Regarding division in Python 2, there is by default only, which maps to _div_, and the result is dependent on the input types, for example int, float. Python 2.2 introduced the _feature division, which changed the division semantics the following way: TL, doctor of PEP 238. Maps to _truediv_, which must return a reasonable approximation of the mathematical result of the division. Quote from PEP 238, // maps to _floordiv_, which should return the floored result of /. With Python 3.0, the changes of PEP 238 became the default behavior, and there is no more special method _div_ in Python's object model. If you want to use the same code in Python 2 and Python 3, use and stick to the PEP 238 semantics of and //